Alright, buddy, did some retuning on your box. Got the input tuned down some more. Changed all the resistors after the load. It got stuck, I'm sure, on you. But check it all out. Power supply ain't making no noise. Straight through SWR 01212. Turn it on. Regular radio drive. Input SWR. Worldwide, nothing. AP or radio drive. Worldwide. 604. Turn it on. So turn the driver on. This is about 280 watt drive. So your input tuning worldwide says staying down with the driver. PDP 2500, only 5,000. Worldwide. So 2600 or about 280, 275 drive. Worldwide. Good to go. Get the driver up a little bit. It's about 350 drive. 5,000 watt slug. Worldwide. 3,000 watts. I can do the drive up and get it done. It was another big double turn to do that. Worldwide, it's two-wheel drive. Worldwide. You see, this is on the power supply. Worldwide, no noise whatsoever. Worldwide. Get on down. There she is, buddy. It's all fixed up for you. Hello, buddy. Like I said, I retuned it real good. Update the tuning in it. Got the SWR down on the input a lot more. It should be good to go, man. Wasn't no big deal. It's gonna be holler, worldwide. That's an LP. It does that when it first gets that first click, so it drops down. Might even do a little ground on it when it first goes really quickly. Jumping through the high, worldwide. She's all good to go, man. As I figured, power supply's fine. Put your plug back in there. Alright, bud. Appreciate your business. Give me a holler. Your friend team 018 Catch you later.